low speed on this.
Yeah. Hello YouTube. It's been a while. Thank you for joining me. I just passed my Category A licence. My dad sold his van. I'm still on mine, but we're on our way to Woking Yamaha, hopefully to find myself a new bike. My dad just picked up a MT-03 Yamaha yesterday. He's very pleased with it. I can't keep up with him anymore, and I did go on a test ride with him when my dad went to pick up his bike. I did have a go on a Yamaha R3, which was a lot of fun, but having just passed my test on an MT-07, it did feel a little bit slightly lacking. It was a great bike, great fun. It does feel funny coming back, having been training on a 700cc bike, going back to a 125, which was all I'd known up until that point. Now this is my first ride back on it. I really do notice big difference, not only in power obviously, but it's obviously a lot lighter. When I rolled on the throttle in first gear just now, leaving my road, expecting something to happen. I mean, obviously it did move, but it's not quite the same. I'm going at 45, trying to change up, and I realise I'm already in 6th gear, so it's a real shame. I really enjoyed this bike, learned a lot on it, but it's definitely time to trade up. And having just passed my test and been looking around at local dealers of bikes to go and test ride, I've had really no luck at all, to be honest, other than Woking Yamaha, who I'd said, let me ride one of their R3s yesterday. Every other dealer that's in the area, well, there was another Yamaha dealer which was too busy just for test rides today. Then there was a local Triumph dealer who wouldn't let me have a ride because I'm under 30. There's another dealer over in Rye Slip which won't let me have a ride because I've had a licence for less than a year. And I even had one dealer, I can't remember which one it was now, who was, when I told them over the phone that I didn't have my card licence yet because I was only just passed yesterday and I'm waiting for it to come in the post, he was very reluctant as well, and he said, well, hopefully next week you'll have your card and you can have a test ride. So it's been a bit of a buzzkill, really. Nice Saturday afternoon, the day after passing my test, hoping to test ride some bikes to eventually give one of them my money, and it doesn't seem that many places are making it easy for young riders, or at least, well, in some cases young riders being under 30, and especially riders who've just passed their test, and it's not easy for them to try out bikes apparently. What a nice man. So yeah, I'm going to be looking to sell the van, which is a shame. It'd be nice to have it as a second toy, but I need to put the money towards a new bike. It doesn't move. I do this and nothing, it barely moves.
I've forgotten just how much you have to twist it. Haven't you? It's really weird because you have to really thrash that.
I was late because I stalled